everybody. And what are we doing today?
We are pulling our dead potato plants.
Huh?
They're
Harvesting the potato plant.
Yeah, we're harvesting the potatoes. The potato plants are dead, which is
step
fine.
here.
But the potatoes are awesome. Did you even see the ones me?
How are they also if they're dead?
Because Bob's and I pulled some up in the sea. Ooh.
I'm gonna show you one.
Yes, show it to us, baby.
Yeah.
Awesome. Wow. See? There's a lot. These are some good looking potatoes.
That one's gone bad, but
Oh no. How did it already go bad?
I don't know.
That's sad. Look at all your hard work. Pulling off those potato bugs, and now you've got big, fat potatoes. Yummy.
That one turned green. Can't eat that one.
Oh man. How come that only had one?
There's probably more below ground, but we have to dig them up.
Okay. How come I only see Bob's doing the work?
I don't know.
Did he, Bob? Wagga mama! That is a lot of potatoes, dude. Do you guys think that's a ton of potatoes?
Yeah, it looks like water balloons.
Water balloons? You're
What?
such a
They're
bad
not. They
seed.
look like- And look at this little baby one. Yeah,
Awesome.
look at this little baby one. Oh my gosh, that was even babier. Look
Super
at
cool.
this baby one.
I just can't believe how many we have. Lift one up, M Beans. I'll let you lift one up.
And I'm also gonna
Yes. What the diddy, Bob?
Yeah, I might have to pull a little harder than that.
Come on, Belly. If you want to lift one up, then come on over. That was the whole point.
Yeah,
Wow, wow, wow. Potatoes galore.
okay. Pull it.
I love looking at potatoes falling. I love potatoes. Do you remember the day we had kielbasa and potatoes and Ludo Shutiao? It was the best thing ever. Okay, pull, M Beans, pull.
And
Um,
what? They're pathetic.
okay, well, belly pull. Belly pull. I want to see belly pull.
Here,
Yeah, okay, you pull together then.
Look at those.
Ooh. Waga. Okay, you guys.
we got some potatoes.
You did? You did? Where? I'm seeing Bob's with loads of potatoes.
Okay, then that's
I'm so proud of our potatoes. That's a real big one, Bob's. Like a real potato we could use for the little E that we're going to do. Wow. That's like the only one that actually looks like the little E, actually. The other one. We have so many potatoes. Great, great, great. What a harvest. What are you guys doing?
But a pokey we can't really get nowhere.
Well, at least you tried. Do you like to buy lobo or buy potatoes?
I think that was one easier.
Actually, Bob's, do we need to buy some of our lobo again?
Look at that.
Probably.
Okay, then why don't you guys go buy your lobo?
Awa.
你们一人拿一个。Yikes! 看，看我 belly. Okay, Jibby's turn now.
We are done.
Yikes! That's huge, Jibby's. Look at me.
Wow.
I like that little pose.
This one I should use. Ew! One bug is on it.
Oh, belly.
I'm not picking it.
Jibby's so proud of her Lobo. That's a huge fat one. Lobos are delicious. Last time we had one, it was delicious.
We ate a little.
It was, what was your favorite word for delicious, Belly?
Scrumptious.
Yeah, it was scrumptious, right?
And Jabby's was epic.
Oh yeah, Jibby's favorite word is epic these days.
I'm gonna go look at Bob's potato.
Okay. This is the other side. We pulled the leaves this morning, but oh, there's a few. I think the other ones did better. So do we know which one's what, Bob's?
No, sadly I didn't keep track of
Oh no, not again. These did not do as, oh well, now they are doing well, yes. Bob's, we have so many potatoes.
Yeah, it's good.
We're gonna be happy.
Hey, there's
It's like the little E.
another one for the little E.
Yes, the little E. Okay, ID men.
Amy, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for joining in on our potato adventures from our garden.
Hurry up, bye-bye. Bye-bye.